Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Cipta Sukmawardana, NPM 22411177 dari kelas manajemen 22B. Di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan salah satu materi dari mata kuliah Sistem Pengendalian Manajemen. Di video kali ini saya akan membahas materi transfer pricing. Oke, langsung saja kita masuk ke dalam pembahasannya. Simak untuk video kali ini. Transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is a critical component of international business operations governing the pricing of goods and services, a change between related entities within a multinational or corporation. This presentation will provide an overview of transfer pricing, its importance, key principles, methods, challenges, and documentation recruitment, equipping you with the knowledge to effectively navigate this complex landscape. Next, overview of transfer pricing. Definition is transfer pricing refers to the internal pricing mechanism used by multinational companies to account for the exchange of goods, services, intellectual property, or other assets between related parties, such as subsidiaries of divisions. Objectives is the primary objectives of transfer pricing are to ensure fair allocation of profits among affiliate entities, comply with tax regulation, and minimize the overall tax burden of the multinational group. Next, importance of transfer pricing. Number 1, tax implication. Proper transfer pricing ensures the profits are allocated appropriately among affiliates entities, minimizing the overall tax liability of the multinational group. Number 2, operational efficiency. Transfer pricing helps optimize the flow of goods, services, and research within the multinational group, improving operational efficiency and profitability. Number 3, compliance is adherence to transfer pricing regulations is crucial to avoid penalty and disputes with tax authorities in various jurisdictions. Next, principles of transfer pricing. Arm's length principle is the arm's length principle requires that the transfer price between related parties should be the same as if the transaction had occurred between unrelated parties under comparable circumstances. Comparability analysis is determining an appropriate transfer price involves a thorough analysis of the functions, assess risk, and market conditions of the related party transaction as compared to comparable uncontrolled, uncontrolled transactions. Profit allocation. Transfer pricing aims to allocate to appropriate share of profits among related entities based on their contribution in line with the arm's length principles. Consistency is transfer pricing policies and methods should be consistently applied across the multinational group and documented to ensure compliance and transparency. Next, transfer pricing method. Traditional transaction methods. Is this include the comparable and control price CUP, cost plus and resale price methods which directly compare the transfer price to prices in similar uncontrolled transactions. Transactional profit methods is the transactional net margin method TNMI and profit split methods focus on the overall profitability of the related party transaction rather than the individual price. Next, challenge in transfer pricing. Data availability and comparability is identifying truly comparable uncontrolled transactions and obtaining relevant data can be challenging, especially for unique or highly integrated transactions. Changing regulation is transfer pricing regulation and guidelines are constantly evolving, requiring ongoing monitoring and adaptation of policies and documentations. Dispute resolution is disagreements with tax authorities over appropriate transfer price can lead to lengthy and costly disputes, emphasizing the importance of robust documentations and defensible policies. Next, transfer pricing documentation. Master file is provided an overview of the multinational group's global business operations, organizational structure, and transfer pricing policy. Number two, local file. Document the specific related party transaction, functional analysis, and transfer pricing methodology for each jurisdiction. Number three, country by country reporting. Present a high level overview of the global allocation of income, taxes, and other key indicators for the multinational group. Next, conclusion and recommendation. Number one, the key takeaways. Transfer pricing is a crucial aspect of multinational operation with significant implications for tax, compliance, and operational efficiency. Adhering to the arm's length principle and leveraging appropriate transfer pricing methods are essential for effective management. Number two, recommendation. Stay current with evolving transfer pricing regulation, maintains robust documentations, and continuously review and optimize transfer pricing policies to ensure alignment with business objectives and compliance requirements. Okay, thanks for the material, and thank watching my video, and see you again.